panels are drying, we can begin working on these skirt boards for the base of the Vanity. The base will be a smaller version of a traditional table base kit and will use 2.5-inch wide skirt boards for the support. I'll cut these to their final length using a miter saw and rip them to the final width on the table saw. If you're interested in a full cut list for all of the parts used in this project, you can reference the link below. To attach these skirt boards to the queen and feet, we're going to be using wooden dowels, so I first need to make corresponding marks on each piece to make sure that they line up properly. Next, I can use a doweling jig and a drill bit to bore out the holes for the wooden dowels. Next, I'll transfer those same marks onto the queen and feet so that they line up properly when installed. For this, I'm just using a straight edge to mark out the locations for the holes, keeping in mind the measurements that I used on the skirt boards. You will need to adjust the depth of your drill bit since we are not using the doweling jig, so keep that in mind during your project. Next, we'll add pocket holes on the back side of the skirt board to give extra support in the corners of the base. Once the pocket holes are added, we can assemble the base by adding some wood glue to the dowel holes and securing the corners using a wood screw. Next, we can attach the base to the bottom panel, making sure to measure for our proper overhangs, and attaching with a wood screw into some pre-drilled pocket holes.